Israel should provide Saudi Arabia with Iron Dome batteries. Israel must consider assisting Saudi Arabia, which is under constant missile attack, argues Yoel Guzanski in a piece published Sunday in Globes. Guzanski is a senior research fellow at the Institute for National Security Studies, INSS, at Tel Aviv University, specializing in Gulf politics and security. Israel would do the right thing by offering the kingdom assistance in defending its strategic facilities against the growing threat from Iran, he wrote. Saudi Arabia is being threatened by drones and long-range missiles fired by Houthi rebel-held areas in Yemen. Saudi Arabia intervened in Yemen in 2015. The U.S. has signaled displeasure with Riyadh's offensive operations there. The Houthis have launched an offensive, attacking Marib, where Yemen forces linked to Riyadh are fighting a desperate battle. Iran uses Yemen as a test bed for its drones and missiles. It has helped the Houthis extend the range of ballistic missiles to hundreds of miles and also helped them with precision drone strikes. This is a major threat to the region, including Israel, the UAE, and other states. Iran has attacked Saudi oil facilities such as Abqaiq in 2019, and also the Houthis recently attacked energy facilities in Saudi Arabia at Ras Tanura and in Riyadh. Iran has used militias in Iraq to attack Saudi Arabia also, in January 2021 and May 2019. As Israel attaches the greatest importance to the Iranian nuclear threat, and rightly so, to the Arab Gulf states, it is the Iranian missile arsenal that poses the most serious and immediate threat, Guzanski writes. Saudi Arabia is under constant threat. These include attacks by more than 860 drones and ballistic missiles since March 2015. Despite massive arms acquisitions over the years, the kingdom lacks sufficient defensive capability, let alone offensive capability. Israel could do the right thing by offering the kingdom assistance. Israel has multi-layered air defense systems including Arrow, David's Sling, and Iron Dome. In the last year, these have been shown to work together closely against threats in a test last December, and in February Israel announced new capabilities for Iron Dome. Last week Israel said that Iron Dome successfully confronted drone and missile tests in a threat. That means Israel has the expertise regarding these kinds of threats. Guzanski notes that there are pitfalls involved, such as avoiding embarrassing leaks of any such ties with Riyadh. Washington has given Saudi Arabia the cold shoulder. Yet the U.S. supports Saudi Arabia defending itself. Riyadh is the Patriot system, which can be used against drones and missiles. It may receive the THAAD system in 2023. In 2017, Raytheon, which makes the Patriot, said that the Saudis had shot down more than 100 tactical ballistic missiles launched from Yemen using Patriots. Israel has advanced capabilities in the field, and in the past there have even been reports that Saudi Arabia is seeking to purchase Iron Dome batteries from Israel as part of tightening security relations between the two countries, a report later denied by the Ministry of Defense, Guzanski notes. In fact, reports indicate the U.S. may have moved one of its 2 Iron Dome batteries to the Gulf, he wrote. Israel could help Saudi Arabia overcome its strategic dilemmas and also reap political benefits if it aids Riyadh, according to the expert. Also, Israel could learn from the types of threats being used against Saudi Arabia, threats that Israel has an interest in learning about because it shares a common foe with Riyadh. The Gulf does not currently have ideal air defense systems, and Israel can assist both in providing the systems themselves and in providing advice and guidance to its new hold partners in the Gulf,